If you're a clam sauce fanatic and you always want to learn how to make it at home, then you're in luck. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a delicious clam sauce from the comfort of your own kitchen, and it's a lot easier than you think. So let's get to it. Alright, so let's take a minute to talk clam sauce. Now, clam sauce is very delicious and it's also very easy to make at home if you can follow a few simple steps. Step 1. We need to build our flavors in stages. If we try to throw everything in a pan, it's going to come out okay, but it's not going to get you your best result. Alright, so step 1, what we want to start with is we want to start by adding all of our vegetables into a pan with a little bit of butter, and we're going to cook them over low and slow heat to remove that acidity out of the onions and the tomatoes and bring out that sweet flavor without adding any roasted flavor, which is not really going to do our sauce any good. Okay, now stage 2 is we want to add our white wine and our dry herbs. Now I use dry herbs for this because I want them to rehydrate in the flavor of the sauce, and that way each one of those herbs also takes on the characteristic of the sauce as well, which makes them like little flavor bombs in your mouth. Then once all the alcohol is burned off, we're going to add our clam juice in there, reduce it by half to concentrate the flavor, and then the most important step, we're going to take the pan off the heat and then add our clams. Because I don't live near an ocean, so I used canned clams, but if you're going to use canned clams, they're already cooked, so you don't want to sit there and overcook them. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the pan off the heat, add the clams, just to warm them through. Okay, so before we begin, if you enjoyed this week's video, please feel free to give it a like, and also share it, as it does help this channel grow immensely. And also, there's a little subscribe button somewhere around here. And if it's not here, it's here. This corner, this corner area. There's a subscribe. Click on that, and you get notifications each time a new show comes out. And I do shows every week. Sometimes 3 times a week. Alright, so who's ready to make some clam sauce? I know you are. It was more of a rhetorical question. Alright, let's do this. And there we go, delicious clam sauce right at home in a matter of a few simple and easy steps. Alright guys, well thank you for stopping by. If you enjoyed the episode, please like, share, and subscribe. And if you didn't, still like, share, and subscribe. It's a good video. I put a lot of work in this stuff. I'll see you guys next week for Sriracha Chocolate Mousse. Oh yeah, it's gonna be a spicy number. See you next week.